So next, continuing the coding now. But if the child swap is less than, then it will be called. But what happens is child 1 is not equals to array size minus 1, then what it can be? The if option, if child 1 is less than, not less than, but the child 1 index goes beyond the array size, then you do nothing, just return it. So if child 1 is greater than array size minus 1, so in that case do nothing, just return. Just return. So this part is over. Now if flag equals to 0, then it's happened. Sure. Else means flag value will be either 0 or 1. So else means one flag equals to 1. So what happens then? Flag 1 means the last two child 1 and child 2 can be the last two highest index of the highest index element, and in that case child 2, the child 2, the index will be maximum, and index 1 will be array size minus 1. So I'm checking whether it has gone beyond the array limit or it is within the array limit. I have to check that. So how to check it? If child 2 equals to array size minus 1, if it goes beyond the array size, that is child 2 is greater than array size minus 1, so in that case we will do nothing, we will just return. Okay. But when this condition does not, then it will go to next line. That means when it goes to the next line, when if suppose flag equals to 0 and child 1, the value of the child 1 is within the array limit, that means child 1 is less than array size minus 1, or if it is flag equals to 1 and the child 2 child 2 is the value is equals to less equals an array size minus 1, then we will go to then we will write the code for that. For that we will just simply call the function. So call the function, but before that I have to check if it can be set 0 flag 1, so that is not the case. So child 1 and say if array child swap is value less than the array of which one? The array of child 1, and that means it may be flag equals to 0 or flag equals to 1. In both cases, if that does not satisfy the previous if-else condition, then obviously any that will have two children, child 1 and child 2, and that will be swapped with the parent element if its value is greater. So if child swap is less than array child 1, and then array child 1 array of child 1 is greater than array of child 2. So in that case, who will be next child for which the value will be swapped? So in that case, next child will be equals to child 1, and we will do the move. We will call the recursive call of the function, move up down, and who will be parent? The parent will be child swap, and there will be children for with which the value will be swapped. That is next child, and simultaneously I have to pass the value of flag, and after that it is return. This is one condition, and another condition also may arise, which is if array of child swap uh, if the array of child swap is less than array of child 2, and then array of child 2, that means the root node has the lowest value of children 2, and because array child 2 is value is less than child 1, array child so has the value of array child 2 has the value less than of array child 1. So in that case, who will be next child? The child 1 will be next child. So next child will be equals to child 1, and we will call the recursive function, which is move up down, and in that case the parent will be root node would be child swap, and the next child will be the children with which the value will be interchanged, next child, and we will call the flag, and after that we will return. And if this code executes only when the child's swap value is less than array size. If that does not, then I will just simply return that we have already written. Okay. So Heap is calling the recursive function childs, which is what we've done. Now I will write the main function in the next part. Okay.